Welcome back to Theme Park HD, your channel for the latest and greatest at the theme parks, events, entertainment, and even some sporting venues mixed in. Jump in with us this year as we enhance our HD, taking it up a notch to highly desirable. Let's go! Today, we come to you with our first Universal Kids Resort construction update of 2025, and man, 2025 brought it! If I had to put this gift in words, here's what I would say. Do you want to build a snowman? Okay, kidding aside. Hey, we don't get much snow up here in this part of Texas. So let's sit back and enjoy our special Snow Day Drone Point of View edition as we march to May 2026. Less than 16 months from now. Let's go! Right off the bat, we hit straight into the 5-story hotel, currently with the second floor in progress. Not much has changed from our last update just 2 weeks ago, so let's head east to the next attraction. Now on your screen is our first structure in the SpongeBob land, heading away from the hotel. As you can see, the exterior of this building's shell is forming out quite nicely. Next up, located in the top northeast corner of the property, is the forming of a Jurassic World structure, going vertical since the end of December update. As we circle back looking south towards the parking and hotel entrances, you can see the progression with buildings forming out the perimeter ring here. It does seem like the priority of late is to get buildings vertical and shelled, while the interior development has slowed. Hey Shrek, I see you, and I see your wing addition to the structure since our last visit. Let's go! I've got a feeling looking down inside these bones, it goes electric and wavy in 2026. Hey, it's hard not to dance with the progress made here in the land of the trolls. As we look southward with our gaze fixed to the interior in the Minions waterway, we can see that while the structure here hasn't moved quite much, to the right or west geographically, a TBD attraction forms out. Looking down at the Minions waterway, P.S. I love this view. If we follow our Minion friend on screen, we can ride this snowy, lazy river along its path. West into the Trolls land, here you can see a new structure being formed as it looks to complete the last of the structures within this zone. Panning left, we see a brief glimpse of Gabby's dollhouse, which again looks to be just about shelled out like many of the other buildings. Here is a great view of the interior of the hotel coming away from the park towards our entrance. While a ton of progress hasn't been made visibly to the naked eye, you can see where the prefabbed walls have been in place for most of the second floor. I imagine in about 2 weeks, we will see work starting on the third floor. Well, that's a wrap on our first Universal Kids Resort update of 2025. As we zoom off, we ask that you like this video and subscribe as we bring you more content and updates each week. Let's go!